Welcome back, everybody. This is video 2 of the Dorflinger Factory Show. And here is our centerpiece, the Dorflinger Marlboro Green Cut to Clear punch set, identical to the one I have in my personal collection. It's a 15-inch one-part punch bowl. We have 8 cups and the matching ladle. There's another great punch bowl and one of Dorflinger's best patterns, Essex. The punch bowl, I believe, is 13 inches in diameter. It's in perfect condition. It is $19.95. That's an exceptional pattern by Dorflinger. There's a Chester pattern ladle. It's Toll & Sons metal. I'm assuming it's silver plate. They typically were. It is $6.95. Here's a green cut to clear salad fork or serving fork by Dorflinger. It is the Chester pattern. Great color, lovely silver work. It's stamped Dorflinger sterling. It is $13.50. Here's a great centerpiece for the collection. It's an apricot cut to clear vase in the fern pattern by Dorflinger. It's shown on page 177 of the Feller book. This is something you will rarely see. A very scarce color, as scarce as turquoise, and it is $6,700. This is what some people refer to as an end-of-day piece, a hand-done glass chain. It's green and clear glass. It is $4.95. That's a cute little novelty item, very rare to find. It's a Russian pattern salad set, the square blanks that Dorflinger were known for. Excellent quality, starred buttons in the Russian, and it is $29.95. Beautiful set. Another table of goodies. In the center we have the Primrose pattern bulging vase. Those are great items. This one is 14 inches tall, so it's big. Great blank, excellent cutting.
Not a good day to forget an umbrella.
And it is $24.95.
No.
Here's a large flaring vase in pattern 1175, a daisy type design, beautiful silvery cutting. It is 14 inches tall. It seems taller in person, but it's only $5.95. It's a great Honesdale cameo vase, matte finish, gilding, beautiful greens. This one's in excellent condition. The signature on the base is perfect. It is $21.95. It is 14 inches tall also. This is a rarely seen item. It is the Roxana pattern jug and matching underplate, and it's fitted for the pitcher. And let's see, I've forgotten. I think that one is $5.95. Another great Honesdale cameo piece. It's a orange or citrine color to clear matte finish etching. It also is 14 inches tall, kind of a tulip shape, beautiful condition gilding, and again a perfect signature. It is $22.95. Excuse me. And then here is a what I call a composite piece or a special order piece. I've seen about a half a dozen examples where they combine 2 patterns. So it's pattern 1888 and pattern 210. It's an 8 1/4 inch diameter bowl. Great quality, and that's a steel at only $4.95. There's a Marlboro pattern pitcher. It's got a great strawberry diamond pattern cut handle. Sort of a corset shape, great quality, Hobstar base, and that's only $3.25. Cobweb or pattern 643, squared off bowl The edge sort of undulates. It's a combination between a round and a square form. Nice thick blank, very deep cutting, excellent quality. And that's a nice buy at only $4.95. Everyone's favorite hollow diamond squat jug. Great clear blank, nice optical effect with the joint punties. Beautiful Hobstar base, triple diamond handle, and that's $11.50. A bulbous shaped pitcher in Marlboro. Great clear blank. Again, the fabulous pattern cut handles in strawberry diamond, and it is $6.95. Cranberry cut to clear, or ruby cut to clear, I should say. Wine stems. They are table diamond pattern shown in the Feller book. Clear uncut bases, which is a Dorflinger trait. Beautiful stems, $2.95 a piece. There's a large 9 1/4 inch Dixie pattern bowl. Thick blank, very clear and excellent quality. And the bowl is $3.95. One of my favorites is this Mandarin Stout pitcher. This was actually in my personal collection, and I probably should put it back in. And it's one of Dorflinger's best cut patterns. Hobstar base, large hob diamond cut handle. This is about as good as it gets. It's $18.95. Essex pattern salad bowl. It's 10 inches diameter, heavy, deep cutting, really fine quality, and it is $12.95. Another great example of the Mandarin pattern is this 9 1/2 inch bowl. Very deep cutting, just superb quality. It is a nice buy at $8.95. I like to refer to this Russian pattern pitcher as carved. It's just carved from head to toe. It's a very fine example of the ultimate in Russian cutting. It's 9 1/2 inches tall. It is $17.95. Has hob diamond pattern cut handle. In person, this thing's magnificent. 10-inch diameter bowl in pattern 293 by Dorflinger. Really good quality. Trying to remember, it is $4.50. It's a big one. Here's a scarcely seen princess pattern by O'Connor. O'Connor was the chief designer and head of the cutting department at Dorflinger. There are some great examples of the princess pattern upstairs in the museum. Strawberry diamond handle, and it is $3.95. Wonderful flaring salad bowl in hollow diamond by Dorflinger, 9 inches wide. Hobstar center, it is $12.00. Magnificent blank, it's very thick. Classic strawberry diamond and fan bulbous pitcher, 7 1/4 inches tall. Strawberry diamond cut handle, and it is $2.75. And then the next table has what some people would refer to as an umbrella stand, but it's a 20-inch tall vase in Roxana. It's shown in the Dorflinger book, Feller book. It is $9.95. Salad bowl in Parisienne by Dorflinger. One of the clearest blanks I've ever seen. Great Hobstar center, 9 inches in diameter. It is $7.95. Ruby cut to clear wine stem in Russian cut foot, superb quality. It is $6.95. There's a champagne tumbler in cranberry cut to clear strawberry diamond. It's only $2.25. It's a really cute piece. Another one of Dorflinger's best patterns is this Windsor pattern. This is an 8 3/4 inch low bowl, displays the pattern like a tray. It's really cut to pieces. There's so much detail in person, it would amaze you. And it is $8.95. Here's a pair of diamond border wine stems. They're shown in the Feller book. They're green cut to clear, faceted knob, fluted stems, and they are $1.75 each. Dorflinger's only 1/1 pattern, Sultana bowl, similar to the cobweb bowl in that it's a squarish rounded blank. Has a lovely petal effect in the center, and it is $11.50. That's a great piece. Royal Pattern wine stem by Dorflinger, and it is $45. And then this is another scarce pattern, the Oriental pattern. It's shown in the C. Dorflinger and Sons catalog, and this one is 9 3/4, and it's only $3.95. Here's a pair of Renaissance wine stems. Has the flaring stem with a hollow teardrop and the clear base. The stems are $1.75 each. And we have pattern 1170 in a scalloped rim bowl. Beautiful daisy effect, very silvery cutting. And that is 8.5 inches diameter and $2.75. And finally,